Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Today's story will very excited for you don't miss it. Value of life. There was a man in a village. He was bored with this life. A question came his mind from time to time. Why I won't live in this world? What is the value of life? The reason for this was that he was an orphan. Because he lived alone, that question arose in his mind. One day, he went to the priest wanting to know the answer. He asked the priest about his question. Why should I live in this world? The priest did not answer and just took a stone. He said, "Take this stone to a market, and if anyone asks its value, you should raise 2 fingers of your hand without saying anything." He said yes and went to the market. He was standing there to sell the stone. A woman came to him and asked, "How much rupees is this stone?" And he said nothing and just raised his 2 fingers. The woman asked for $2 and said, "I will take this." Immediately, he took the stone and returned to church. He told the priest what had happened in the market. The priest said, "Again, take this stone and go to a museum. You should not talk there, and if anyone asks you how much rupees, you should show only 2 fingers." He also went to a museum. A person came there, and when he saw the stone, he said, "This is such a valuable stone. I will buy this." He asked how much it cost, saying that he would get it no matter how much money he paid. He raised his 2 fingers. The person standing in the museum asked, "It is $2,000 and said I will buy it." Immediately, he took the stone and came back to the priest. Again, the priest did not say anything about man's question and said, "Again, take this stone and go to a jeweler's shop. There also you will not speak. You will have to show only your 2 fingers." He didn't say anything and immediately went to the jewelry store. When the jeweler's shop owner saw the stone, he asked, "How precious is this stone and how much does it cost?" He raised 2 fingers to that. The owner asked, "Is it $20,000? Okay, I will buy it." But the man immediately took the stone and returned to the priest again. Then priest gave an explanation for this. He said, "You and I don't know the value of this stone, but its value is different from place to place. Similarly, you get value from where you are. If you are with someone who doesn't like you, your value will be less. If you are with someone who loves you, your value will be more. So you have to choose the life for yourself. The one who is by your side will be the reason for this. So buddies, don't lose your hope. be calm and enjoy your life with good partner. Okay guys, we will see our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.